welcome back to the channel. This video is about Aries, so please go ahead and check your sun, moon and rising, and if you have Aries in any of these placements, this video is for you. You can also be a cross watcher watching for your partner or other special people in your life. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what messages Spirit has for us, dear Aries. Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing, things are moving up. Seven of Wands, betrayal, conflict, people trying to take your position. Celebration is on the cards. And Queen of Cups. Birthing of a new idea, loving and nurturing this idea, or clear-cut pregnancy. Okay, I do want to clarify on why Seven of Wands have come up. Spirit, what do dear Aries need to know for the Seven of Wands? Okay, one card jumped out. The Star. So I feel that whichever position you are in right now, you have really worked hard to reach there, and right now people are being jealous of you and they're trying to push you off that position. And why they're trying to do is because you're being authentic and you're standing in your vulnerability and you're standing in your power. So dear Aries, I have to tell you, sometimes when we shine our light too brightly, people around us can get mad, and there can be many reasons why they get mad, of course. So they can get mad because they could have also been in the same position as you, but maybe they chose not to work as hard. It can be anything, but yeah, I think inherently keep doing what you're doing because it's working, because I feel jealousy is also something that is earned. You can't be just jealous of someone else just for the sake of it. I mean, you have to see something really good in someone and not have it to feel jealous, right? So don't worry about it. I see celebrations on the card. For a few of you, please get in touch with your women friends. You can't go out and have drinks, of course, but just hit them up and say that, hey, Pyach, I love you. Okay, you can just go ahead and do that, or it's applicable to anyone. Basically, Three of Cups is the card of celebrations, of people coming together and celebrating. Last but not the least, Queen of Cups. It's about embodying emotional intelligence, nurturing people around you and the things you're putting your energy into. So that is very important. We sometimes forget to nurture things we put our energy into, and we just think that, oh, we're just putting in energy. What's this need of wanting to nurture it even further? So for that, I want to tell you, you always have to have that extra concern and care about anything that you are doing in a new way, or any new venture that you're undertaking. Okay. Oh, and the back of the deck energy for you is Queen of Wands. Okay, Aries, you're in your element, so socializing holds a big importance for you right now. Let's see what oracle messages you have. Also get some rest. This one just popped out. I'm gonna pull out two more. Get some rest, because of course it can get tiring when you have people trying to push you off from your position. Courage at the back of the deck. Courage is the back of the deck energy. Changing your mind. So maybe you can change your mind about how you're dealing with these people because they're not of your level, and you ultimately understand that the place that you have worked hard for, nobody can take that away from you. And even if they take away the position, they can never do the same amount of work or learn the same things that you've learned, and they can't steal it. So for example, a lot of entrepreneurs are like, okay, they start from scratch, they earn a lot of money and they lose. Some of them lose, but many entrepreneurs that I've seen have this belief that even if they lose all the money that they had, they can earn it back, because while earning that much money, they learned the tricks of the trade. They learned how to build from scratch to that much. So that is something which is invaluable. Okay, and the next one, leaving. A call to leave this toxic situation. Okay, let me just see why is the leaving card here, Spirit. Can we get a clarification? Because better things are coming to you. That's it. Better things are coming to you, and might I also say, for some of you, this marriage on the cards, because Four of Wands is the marriage card. That's it for your oracle reading, dear Aries. Stay tuned for the next batch of oracle messages. Okay, if you like this video or like my reading, if it resonated, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want a private reading, all the information is down in the description box. So take care and see you next time.